We all dream of it, staying young, feeling vibrant. The quest for eternal youth has been a part of human history for centuries, from ancient alchemists searching for the elixir of life to modern scientists exploring the secrets of our DNA. The desire to turn back the clock is universal, turning back the clock on aging. But what if the answer isn't found in a laboratory or a mystical potion? What if the secret to a long, healthy life is much simpler and more accessible than we ever imagined? What if I told you the secret isn't a magic potion? It's not hidden in some far-off land or locked away in a vault. Instead, it's something that we can all access, something that has been right in front of us all along. What if it's hiding in plain sight, in the vibrant flavors of an island nation? Jamaica, with its rich culture and bountiful natural resources, offers a unique perspective on health and longevity. The island's cuisine is a treasure trove of age-defying secrets. Imagine a place where people radiate health and longevity. A place where the elderly are not just surviving, but thriving, enjoying life to the fullest. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality for many Jamaicans, where their food is their medicine, packed with antioxidants and nutrients. The secret lies in the island's fresh, natural ingredients. From the vibrant fruits and vegetables to the aromatic spices, every bite is a step towards better health. This isn't a fantasy, it's Jamaica, and its cuisine might hold the key to unlocking a more youthful you. The traditional dishes, passed down through generations, are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Let's dive into the heart of Jamaican cuisine and uncover its age-defying secrets, one delicious bite at a time. We'll explore the ingredients, the recipes, and the stories behind the food that keeps Jamaicans feeling young and vibrant. Get ready to discover how simple ingredients can transform your health and vitality. Join us on this culinary journey and learn how you too can embrace the ageless dream through the power of Jamaican cuisine. Jamaica, land of reggae, sunshine and some of the most delicious food on the planet. The island's cuisine is a vibrant tapestry woven from a rich history and diverse cultural influences. But there's more to this island than meets the eye. Beyond the stunning beaches and rhythmic beats lies a secret to longevity that has been passed down through generations. For generations, Jamaicans have embraced a diet rich in fruits, vegetables and spices, a diet that seems to hold the key to a longer, healthier life. The vibrant markets are a testament to this, brimming with fresh produce that is as colourful as it is nutritious. From the fiery Scotch bonnet pepper to the earthy callaloo, each ingredient tells a story of the land and its people. These ingredients are not just food, they are a part of the island's identity. Each ingredient plays a vital role in this culinary orchestra. The spices and herbs used in Jamaican cooking are not only flavourful, but also packed with health benefits. They are carefully selected and combined to create dishes that are both delicious and nourishing. These aren't just ingredients, they're nature's gifts, bursting with antioxidants and vitamins that fight aging from the inside out. The vibrant colours of the fruits and vegetables are a visual cue to their health benefits, each hue representing a different nutrient that supports the body's functions. Get ready to tantalise your taste buds and discover the magic of Jamaican cuisine. Street vendors offer a variety of mouth-watering dishes that showcase the island's culinary diversity. From jerk chicken to ackee and saltfish, each bite is a journey through Jamaica's rich culinary heritage. It's a culinary adventure that could change how you age forever. The joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, the laughter and the sense of community all contribute to a lifestyle that promotes longevity. So come and experience the flavours of Jamaica, where every meal is a celebration of life and health. Let's start with a true Jamaican superstar, callaloo. This leafy green, similar to spinach, is a staple in Jamaican households. It's packed with vitamins A and C, iron and calcium. Imagine a dish that boosts your immune system, strengthens your bones and gives you glowing skin. That's the power of callaloo. It's like a superhero in disguise, masquerading as a simple green. Next up, we have pimento, also known as allspice. This fragrant spice, native to Jamaica, does more than just add flavour to your jerk chicken. Pimento is a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to protect your cells from damage. Think of it as a natural pain reliever, easing those aches and pains that come with age. Its antioxidant properties also fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging. Now let's talk about ackee, Jamaica's national fruit. This unique fruit, often compared to scrambled eggs in texture, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in healthy fats, fiber and protein, making it a satisfying and healthy meal. Ackee is also a good source of zinc, which plays a vital role in cognitive function. So not only does it taste delicious, but it also helps keep your mind sharp and focused. Section 6. Island Life. Stories from the land of wood and water. Jamaica, often referred to as the land of wood and water, is a place where the natural beauty of the landscape is matched only by the richness of its culture and the warmth of its people. From the lush green mountains to the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea, every corner of this island tells a story. Meet Miss Mabel, a vibrant 80-year-old woman from the heart of Jamaica. Her eyes sparkle with the wisdom of years and her laughter is infectious. She has lived through decades of change, yet her spirit remains unbroken and her love for her homeland unwavering. She attributes her incredible energy and youthful glow to her lifelong love affair with Jamaican cuisine. Callaloo, pimento and ackee are staples in her diet, but it's not just the ingredients that matter. It's the way they are prepared, with love and care, that makes all the difference. Ackee, these are my secrets, she says with a twinkle in her eye. But it's not just about the food, it's about the community, the sharing and the traditions that have been passed down through generations. Miss Mabel's story is not unique. Across the island you'll find countless individuals like her, each with their own tales of resilience, joy and a deep connection to their roots. These stories are woven into the fabric of Jamaican life, creating a rich tapestry of culture and tradition. Across the island you'll find countless individuals like her, living proof that the Jamaican diet is more than just food, it's a way of life. It's a celebration of the land and the sea, of the bounty that nature provides, and of the ingenuity and creativity of the Jamaican people. Living proof that the Jamaican diet is more than just food, it's a way of life. It's a recipe for longevity passed down through generations, a testament to the power of tradition and the importance of community. It's a way of life, a recipe for longevity passed down through generations. The food is a reflection of the island's history, a blend of African, European and indigenous influences that come together to create something truly unique. A recipe for longevity passed down through generations. It's about more than just sustenance, it's about identity, heritage and the enduring spirit of the Jamaican people. In every bite you can taste the love, the history and the soul of this incredible island. Section 7. A taste of history from roots to cuisine. The magic of Jamaican cuisine isn't just in its ingredients but also in its history. Influenced by African, European and indigenous Taino traditions, Jamaican food tells a story of resilience, adaptation and a deep connection to the land. For centuries, Jamaicans have relied on their local bounty, creating dishes rich in flavor and nutritional value. This culinary heritage is a testament to the power of food to sustain, heal and connect us to our roots. Section 8. Embrace the Jamaican remedy. So what's the secret? It's simple. Embrace the Jamaican way of eating. Incorporate callaloo, pimento and ackee into your diet. Experiment with other Jamaican staples like breadfruit, plantains and fresh seafood. You don't have to travel to Jamaica to experience the benefits. Bring the island vibes to your kitchen. Start incorporating these ingredients into your meals. Your body will thank you. Section 9. A journey to youthfulness through Jamaica. Embark on a culinary adventure to Jamaica, a land where age is just a number and youthful vitality is a way of life. Explore the vibrant flavors, embrace the rich culture and discover the age-defying secrets hidden within each bite. It's time to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, one delicious Jamaican dish at a time. Are you ready to experience the magic?